Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Linode Cloud Server configuration errors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin resolving configuration errors on your Linode Cloud Server, access your Linode Manager. Log into your Linode account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the Linode server experiencing issues from your dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on the Launch Console option to access the terminal. Review the boot logs for any error messages that might indicate the nature of the configuration issue. If you encounter specific error messages, take note of them for later troubleshooting. Next, verify your server's resource allocation by navigating to the Networking tab. Ensure that your IP addresses and networking settings are properly configured. If necessary, adjust your firewall settings by accessing the Firewall section in the Manager. Clear any rules that may be blocking essential services or ports. Once you've reviewed your networking configuration, check your server's software packages. Utilize the Package Manager to update existing packages and install any pending updates. If there are specific applications causing issues, review their configuration files in the terminal. Use the appropriate commands to edit these files with a text editor like Nano or Vim. After making changes, save your configuration files and exit the editor. To apply the new configurations, restart the necessary services using system.pl commands. Monitor the logs in real time as you make changes to identify any new errors immediately. If issues persist, consider restoring your server from a backup if available. Ensure you document each step taken during the troubleshooting process for future reference. Finally, perform a final check to confirm that all services are functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.